Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Pisces water sign. This is March monthly reading and this is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Pisces water sign. What are the messages for you Pisces? What are the messages for Pisces water sign? Ten of Cups, the Hierophant and the Magician. Six of Wands, Four of Pentacles and Page of Pentacles. Another deck, Queen of Wands. You will stand by your power in near future. For some, you already like this and you are very grounded and you are very passionate about your work. So let's see your reading. Pisces, recent past, Ten of Cups, the Hierophant and the Magician. In recent past, you are trying to manifest the Ten of Cups, the happy family and with commitment with somebody. And you are in a manifesting energy in recent past. Maybe you are manifesting career, manifesting money, everything in your life, especially the relationship which you want. Because Ten of Cups with the Hierophant, you may be manifesting commitment from your person. For some, maybe you achieved, for some it depends. Okay, that was the past. So let's see present. Six of Wands, Four of Pentacles and Page of Pentacles. You are getting success for your hard work. You are getting recognition for your hard work. Your hard work is paying off. Six of Wands energy. You are getting success in especially working area. But Four of Pentacles, someone is holding back in this connection. It could be you or your person. Four of Pentacles energy. Someone is emotionally holding back. And Page of Pentacles, some communication, some message is coming in your way. Maybe you want to communicate with your person. It could be anything. So communication. Someone is holding back. Maybe you want to communicate with your person. Some apology, some communication. But one person is immature in this connection. What I'm seeing here. And future, the Devil, Three of Cups and the Tower. Maybe there is separation between you and your person for some in near future. Because the Devil energy. But there is, you both are obsessed with each other. Maybe Pisces, you are obsessed with your person. There is obsession and this is very dark energy. For some it could be third party situation also. That's why the Tower moment will happen between both of you. Separation. Maybe children's also involved in this connection. Pages. So I am saying third party situation. And one person is very dominative in this connection. But you both are maybe this for some it is karmic karmic type connection. But there is separation. You are undergoing some Tower moment. Pisces. In near future, you will undergoing because there is some separation. Maybe there is some obsession between both of you which creates resistance in this connection. Maybe you both are in no contact situation right now. Pisces. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Capricorn, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. But some communication here, some message. Yeah, so let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going. King of Cups. Your person has so much love for you and they want to offer. So first we will see your person current feelings, Pisces. Your person current feelings towards you. See Ace of Pentacles. The Devil. You both are obsessed with each other. There is a lot of obsession and Ten of Swords and Five of Pentacles. There is separation for some between both of you, cold shouldering. Maybe one person is not treating the other person well in this connection. Ace of Pentacles. Maybe for some you person also creating more money, concentrating on their career. But they really want to offer long-term commitment to this connection. They're thinking about long-term commitment. And the Devil, they're obsessed with you. There is obsessively thinking about you. I think you both are obsessed with each other. Lot of obsession. And Ten of Swords. They're getting lot of thoughts regarding you or regarding this connection. And they still want rebirth. So let's see the near future actions towards you. Pisces, your person near future actions towards you. Your person near future actions. 7 of Pentacles, King of Cups, again 7 of Cups, and Knight of Pentacles. They're taking it very slow. They're in very slow moving energy because they're waiting for you, maybe approaching them. Maybe they're waiting, you have to take first move towards them, because 7 of Pentacles, 7 of Cups. Maybe for some, your person also in some confusion. They're in some confusion. That's why they're taking it very slow. Maybe they're waiting for you to come back. King of Cups, but they have so much love for you. Yeah, they really have so much love for you, Pisces. And 7 of Pentacles, they're waiting. Maybe they invested a lot in this connection more than you. Maybe they are waiting for you to come back. That message I'm getting again and again. And 7 of Cups. Maybe for some, your person have options also, but I'm seeing this is not a option card. This is like confusion, what I'm getting here. Yeah, that's why they're waiting. Maybe they're thinking, I will make a move, or no, they will make a move. That type of confusion I'm getting here. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Capricorn, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. But Knight of Pentacles, this person is very sincere and they're very serious about this time. They are taking it very slow, but it is very stable. They're really thinking about commitment. Ace of Pentacles is here. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. Pisces. Yeah, 6 of Pentacles and Temperance. Yeah, waiting. Again, patience. And 4 of Swords. They're not talking to you right now. They're undergoing some healing and meditation process to heal their self. They're undergoing some healing. 6 of Pentacles, there is no equal give and take. Maybe your person want equal give and take in this connection, Pisces. And Temperance, the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius. So, Temperance. Sagittarius, yeah, patience is the key here. Maybe they're waiting to come back. They're waiting for you to come back. It's you. You are listening to your inner self. You are listening to a higher self. Intuition, trusting your intuition. And 2 of Wands with the Strength. You are also thinking about them a lot. And this could be long distance relationship. And Strength card, you also want to overcome this tower moment, because you are also undergoing some tower moment. You are trying to heal yourself from this tower moment, and you are trying to overcome this pain and want to stand by your power. And you will in near future. But you are also thinking about them a lot. You both are obsessed with each other. Yeah, some communication clarity. 5 of Swords. One person hurt the other person in this connection. There is some type of hurting and maybe misunderstandings between both of you guys. But Queen of Swords energy. One person is stand by their power. It could be you or your person. I want clarification card for this. Yeah, see how King of Swords and Queen of Swords. You both stand by your own terms. Maybe you both want same thing. You both want clarity and commitment. Maybe there is something happened between both of you, but you will get both communication and clarity is coming between both of you in near future. I am seeing communication, air energy. Yeah. Queen of Wands. One person is stand by their power. It could be your person. Maybe your person is a fire sign. So let's see your overall energy for the month, Pisces. 8 of Wands, lots of communication is coming. Truth, clarity. Your person has so much love for you. And Queen of Wands, it could be you. You stand by your power. So let's see your person overall energy. Eight of Wands. See, definitely there will be lots of communication between both of you guys and judgment. Maybe your person going to make some major decision. And Knight of Wands, they're very passionate about you. A lot of attraction between both of you. And Page of Wands, communication. And one person is younger than the other person in this connection. There is age gap between both of you. So let's see some message from Moon Oracle deck for you. But what I'm getting here, communication and clarity is coming. You also thinking about them a lot. They also thinking about you. Balance spirituality and practicality. This is the message for you, Pisces, from universe. So balance things, okay? Especially spirituality and practicality. Do meditation if you are having any emotional trauma. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.